Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a small garden in our house. It is the front of the office room. A gardener looks after it. The flower in the garden is very beautiful. And the gardening, uh, a few school have good garden. We have a beautiful garden in front of our school. It is small but very attractive. Our school P. Raju take care of it. We also work in our school garden after school hours and Saturday. We water plants and clean the garden. We grow different kinds of flowers and fruits plants in it. Our school campus remains scented with the fragrance of the tulip flowers. Beside the flower plants, there are some permanent trees in it. We have planted banana, coconut, papaya trees in it. We are proud of our school garden. A road divided the garden from the gate of the to the office. On the both side of the road, there are tall trees. They look green and shining throughout the years. Inside the garden, there are permanent flower trees. There are many kinds of flowers bushes in the garden. They are planted in a good order. In each season, we plant seasonal trees. In winter, the garden loaded with zinnia, etc. Another, we water the plant during the dry season, and we all take care of it every day. Our school has a beautiful garden. It is divided into three parts. The space in the front of our school building is for flower plant. We have a variety of flowers there. The space just behind the school building is our vegetable garden. We grow a lot of vegetables there. There is an orchard behind this part of the garden. It is full of mango, coconut, jackfruit, and java near nuts trees. We love our gardens very much. We work there after school is over. And we have a beautiful garden in front of my school office rooms. The garden looks after it. He waters the plants every day. We also grow vegetables and fruits from it. We plant seasonal flowers in winter and spring. We love our garden very much. We never pluck flowers. Every school should have a garden like that. Our school gardens adds beautiful to it. Only a few school